Mm-hmm. Get it in there straight. You should feel it kind of tuck and lock in there. If it's rocking, you got it sitting on something. No? Wait. Move it till it's not rocking. See how it rocks? Keep it so it's nice and steady. Nice and steady? Okay. What do you do now?
Connect the right cable, the positive cable, to the battery first.
Okay. Make sure it's on there nice and secure. Nice, secure, and tight. Okay, what do you do now?
Then connect the black, which is the negative cable second.
It may spark a little bit, but don't worry about it. Okay, kind of go back and forth, wiggle it to give it some connection. Do it with that one also. Got it?